What you're watching now is not the most exciting. I'm answering emails. I'm responding to texts. Also confirming real estate appointments and organizing conversations. There's no background music moment, no announcement, no big reveal. Just maintenance. And this is the part that most people skip. You know, everyone wants momentum, but very few respect maintenance. Because maintenance is boring at times. At least it can be, right? Maintenance is repetitive. And maintenance is invisible. No one sees these moments besides you all. But maintenance is what keeps everything from collapsing. And it's what gives me the ability to live my life and interact in my businesses without the two colliding. One thing that I've learned is that people don't fail because they lack visions. You know, everyone that I've talked to just about has had a vision or visions for their life and also for their business or businesses. Every person. But people often fail because they lack systems. They lack the discipline. They lack the ability to conquer boring tasks. For example, a lot of people don't answer emails consistently. Some people don't follow up. Some other people may not document as they should. And then others don't protect their time. And then we wonder why nothing ever seems to grow. But if you can't manage small volume, you won't survive big volume. Also, if 5 messages overwhelm you, just think about what 50 will do. I made a video last week going over considering if you were to get 20 orders right now and what that detailed process would look like for you. And that video concept stemmed from a conversation that I was having with one of my mentees. And after the conversation, we were able to identify a lot of loopholes or a lot of loose ends, I should say, in her business that needed to be tied before we looked at getting more orders. So what I'm doing right now is not busy work. Again, it's discipline. Every response I send is clarity. Every boundary I communicate is structure. Even every follow-up is intentional. Structure is self-respect. When you ignore your inbox, you're not just avoiding people, Unfortunately, you're avoiding responsibility. And responsibility is what grows capacity. So, do you want to grow? Because if the answer is yes, then I recommend increasing your capacity to handle detail. Now, one of the problems is people only post the highlight reel, like the highlight content, the launch, the sold out moment, the new client announcement. But you rarely see the back end work. You're not seeing a lot of the quiet nights that us as entrepreneurs are working through. And even if I say working through them, I'm even thinking about different ideas. And, you're not seeing the organized spreadsheets. Which, speaking of spreadsheets, I hope everyone's ready for tax time. I did not enjoy this time around. I'll make a separate video about that, but this was my first year filing my real estate income, and yeah. So basically, growth is quiet, and if you need applause to work, then, it's not going to last. Now watch this. When I put on these gloves, I'm dusting for fingerprints for class. I am in school for psychology. This is, I think, my second year, and I'm taking a forensics class currently. And I really love the symbolism of this because fingerprints are all about detail. They're also about patience. So you can't rush it, you can't smear it, and you can't skip sections. Because if you rush, then you lose evidence, right? So think about this. If your life leaves prints, then your habits leave evidence. If someone dusted your routine, what would show up? Would it be discipline or distraction? Or maybe it would be follow through? Or would it be inconsistency? Would it be structure or chaos? Fingerprints don't lie. And neither do habits. Success is not loud. It's detailed. It's intentional. It's answering emails when you don't feel like it. It's responding professionally, even when you're irritated. It's staying organized when you feel tired. It's maintenance. And most people quit in the maintenance phase. They don't fail because they're not talented, and they don't fail because they can't or don't sustain effort. But they fail because they lack the skill of consistency and detail. These are all skills. Consistency is a skill. Detail is a skill. Patience is a skill. And skills build upon each other. So everyone wants expansion, but expansion without structure doesn't last. So before we ask for more clients and more money, more orders, even more visibility, let's ask ourselves a few questions. Can we handle detail? Can we handle repetition? And can we handle silence? Because the people who win are not always the loudest, but they are the most disciplined. Most times they're building quietly, and they organize quietly, and they also execute quietly. And then when the results show up, It looks effortless. But it was evidence. It was evidence that all of the working systems and all of the quiet moments and all of the detail and dedication, consistency and responsibility were all put together to craft something amazing, to build a foundation that can be built upon, and to create a life where freedom is given, where you're not chained to any business, and you're able to truly do what it is you love in multiple areas and still live the life that you were called to live. Again, without having to choose between the two. I don't want to have to stay inside of any box. There are so many things that interest me and so many things that capture my attention. And I like the ability to be able to explore those things. So content going forward is not going to look always the same. But the structure remains. Some days I'm mailing hair. And other days I'm prepping fingerprints. One day I'm showing houses. And the next I'm creating content for YouTube. But all in all, the fundamentals, the consistency, and the vision remain the same. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later.